Mpact was spun off from Mondi in 2011.
Right, and of course it's a manufacturer of packaging products like I was ranting on about earlier, including all of the corrugated paper, the enclosures, the PET bottles, that's the soft Coke ones, as well as the polystyrene trays, the whole caboodle.
Market cap 5.7 billion rand, price to earnings ratio of 10.5 and a dividend yield here of 3.2%. Now this was a huge success story.
Winner.
From the unbundling, this one just took off.
And the price went through the roof, and I kept looking at this and saying, this is a packaging company. It's not a growth company. It's a packaging company in a fairly well saturated market. But that didn't stop the share price going up. But unfortunately, the tough times did eventually happen
Catch up
here,
with it.
and the share price fell quite significantly on bad results.
Because the CEO, Bruce Strong, did a tremendous job right from day one. The timing was good, and it was just really earning market share in what appeared to be, over competitive, over traded, and declining overall markets. So they seem to have the secret sauce. Let's look at the share chart though, because this will reveal a super uptrend, followed by a nasty fall off when they had an earnings stumble.
So there's the earnings stumble around about mid 2016.
Yeah. So I don't know what to say now. I mean, it's the same management team, it's the same assets, it's the same production opportunities. It's the Felixton mill down in Mpangeni. It's got the Bay White paper business. They've sold some stuff, they've expanded in others. They're a strong player. They've got all of the stuff going on. And they do the recycling, and everybody loves the company. Also,
but it's a tough sector.
It's a tough market.
Yeah.
Look, and personally,
highly competitive.
Yeah, and personally, I mean, it's tied to consumer expenditure, as you said earlier on, and I think they're cheaper shares. If you want to take a punt on South African consumer, they're cheaper shares than
So
than
Mpact wouldn't be your entry point.
It certainly wouldn't be. Look, they're trying their best to cope with it, and it's really tough out there. And over time, I'm sure the share price will come back and earnings will recover, but I don't think in the shorter term, and as I said, I think there's better opportunities.
You want to add anything? Bruce Strong, as you say, is still at the helm of this one?
Yeah, and they've got a couple of niche markets. They're quite dominant in the fruit industry. They're quite a big player in terms of the boxing there. Because remember, having been part of Mondi and part of the Anglo group, they had a real status in the market. So, but I'm going to go not hot.
Not hot.
Not hot, yeah.
You're going to call it not hot.
I'm afraid so.